That thing you say after someone sneezes? You're actually performing a 1,500-year-old plague ritual without even knowing it. Back in the Middle Ages, people thought sneezing wasn't just a reflex. It was your soul literally trying to escape your body. Evil spirits were supposedly waiting to snatch it mid-air. So bless you wasn't politeness, it was a protective spell. When the Plague of Justinian hit in the 500s, Pope Gregory I said sneezing meant you were about to die. People panicked. By Victorian times, saying bless you became so automatic that not saying it made you look rude and uncultured. Here's the kicker. Modern science proves it does absolutely nothing, yet 70% of us still do it every single day. You're trapped in a superstition so old and so normalized that it's basically invisible. You say bless you not out of belief, but out of habit so deep that breaking it feels weird.